Imagine you're on a night flight, cruising high above the Indian Ocean. Suddenly, the cabin fills with an eerie, sulfurous smoke. Sparks fly past your window, trailing from the engines like a fireworks display gone wrong. Then, a terrifying silence. One by one, all 4 engines of your Boeing 747 have flamed out. This isn't a scene from a disaster movie. This was the reality for the 263 souls aboard British Airways Flight 9 on June 24, 1982. The jumbo jet, nicknamed the City of Edinburgh, was now a 400-ton glider descending silently through the pitch-black sky. In the cockpit, Captain Eric Moody and his crew were faced with an impossible situation. They had no idea what was happening. Was it a fire? A catastrophic mechanical failure? With no engines, they were losing altitude fast, dropping thousands of feet per minute. Captain Moody made a now-famous announcement to the cabin, a masterpiece of British understatement. "Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We have a small problem. All 4 engines have stopped. We are doing our damnedest to get them going again. I trust you are not in too much distress." As the plane dropped below 13,000 feet, desperation setting in, a miracle happened. One by one, the engines roared back to life. The crew had unknowingly flown through a dense cloud of volcanic ash from the eruption of Mount Galunggung. The fine, abrasive particles had choked the engines, causing them to flame out. As they descended into cleaner, denser air, the molten ash solidified and broke away, allowing the engines to be restarted. Despite the cockpit windscreen being sandblasted opaque by the ash, rendering it almost impossible to see, the crew managed to land the crippled aircraft safely in Jakarta, using only a tiny sliver of visibility on the side windows. Every single person on board survived. The incident led to massive changes in aviation safety, including new protocols for avoiding volcanic ash. The crew of Flight 9 didn't just land a plane, they flew a masterclass in crisis management, turning a potential catastrophe into one of the most incredible survival stories in aviation history. If you were captivated by this incredible story, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tales of survival against all odds. Thanks for watching and fly safe.